Django. Override save for model. Before saving model, I'm resize a picture. But how can I check if new picture added or just description updated, so I can skip rescaling every time the model is saved? I want to rescale only if new image loaded or image updated, but not when description updated.
Some thoughts. Not sure if it would play nice with all pseudo-auto Django tools, example, model form, contrib.admin, etc.
Check the model's park field. If it is none, then it is a new object. Edit, I've added a check for image in form.changed_data. This assumes that you're using the admin site to update your images. You'll also have to override the default save_model method as indicated below.
You may supply extra argument for confirming a new image is posted. Something like or pass request variable. I think these won't break your save when called simply. You may put this in your admin.py so that this work with admin site too, for second of above solutions.
What I did to achieve the goal was to make this. And below the save method is this. So when I edit some fields but not editing the image, I put this. You can replace the skip creating photo thumbnail with him just editing the description or a more formal text. Hope this one helps.